Growing up as a kid, I loved watching movies. Watching them didn't just entertain me, they inspired me to create my own stories. That's when I knew I wanted to be a filmmaker. But I always wondered, where are movies made? The answer was clear. America.
Ego so bloated, got your head on the range by the followers and looks. Movers in the crooks, beat down low, you need a ram in a bush. Can't debate, you took the bait, a fish in a hook. Made a friend of an enemy.
Home to Hollywood. So from that moment, I had a big dream. To work on a movie someday and visit the USA. I mean, sino ba namang hindi gusto pumunta ng Amerika, di ba? So yeah, visiting the US became part of that big dream. And that dream just came true. So yeah, it really happened. We visited the US during the holidays to spend Christmas and New Year with the fam. But before anything else, I would just want to thank the sponsor of this video, TJ. Psych! Well, actually, the sponsor of this video is my aunties and uncles. Basically, sila lahat gumastos para sa amin, para sa trip na to. Gusto ko lang sabihin kasi baka isipin nyo rich kid ako or ano. Sila talaga lahat gumastos nito. Very thankful po ako sa inyo. Going to the USA is a really long journey. We'll be traveling through 4 airports and taking 3 planes to get there. First stop, Puerto Princesa Airport. This is where the journey begins. Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa airport ng Puerto Princesa City. This is one of the 4 airports na mapupuntahan namin sa trip na to, no? Actually, wala pa akong tulog. Oras na ba? 6 AM. Kanina lang ako nag-impake. Kanina nag-depends pa kami sa school. Ngayon nag-exam pa kami. And then yun sakto ngayon wala nang pasok. So a total of 16 hours yung aming magiging travel time. Siguro isang buong araw kami mag-travel ngayon. So gagawin ko yung the best ko sa editing para maging maganda yung kalabasan nito. So actually, wala masyado nakakaalam na aalis ako ngayon. The reason din kaya di kami nagsasabi kasi surprise namin yung lola ko, no? Sa side ng mama ko. Kasi wala siyang kaalam-alam na pupunta kami ng US. Na-imagine ko na agad yung magiging reaction niya. Pero last namin pagkikita, ano pa eh. Parang elementary pa ako, grade 6 pa yata ako nun. So yeah, college na ako ngayon. Breakfast muna kami. So we fly from Puerto Princesa to Manila. Dito na kami ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 1. So ito pala, dito yung mga international flights. So yan, mamaya, may paparating pa na package. Camera gear siya, no? Pinalalamove lang namin sa airport, so... Yo! Yan. Ito ay mahalagang gears para sa ating USA trip. In-order ko talaga ito nakaraan pa, pero yun nga, since sa Palawan kami nakatira, pag ipapadala nila, medyo matagal pa. Noong nandito na lang kami, kasaka namin pinadala. So, yun. Brand new mic, guys. Tagal na matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon nito. Daikin D4 Duo. Ay, ito yung mas maganda. Ooh. Yun, we have a brand new lens, guys. This is the Tamron 1770 f2.8. Tagal ko na itong minamata. Nagkaroon ako ng budget bago kami umalis. And yun, magagamit ko siya para sa ating USA trip. So, So, yun, maraming salamat sa Bison Marketing sa smooth transition. Kay Ma'am Margie. Let's go, bago tayong gear. $19 ngayon. Tapos pagpunta namin ng US, 19 pa rin. Time travel. Papunta kami sa kabilang side ng mundo eh. Kaya 19 pa rin doon. So, hindi kami tumanda ng ilang oras. We're off to the next destination, Taiwan. Yes, we're technically visiting another country on this trip. Parang nasa ibang bansa. Ano masabi mo sa Taiwan?
Taiwan parang Korea.
What?
Let's go! Ang daming telepono. Ayun o. Astig. Tapos ang daming guys, vending machine, which is gusto ko. Kasi naaalala ko in Japan pag nakakakita ko ng vending machine. Ito yung aming lounge. Yeah, mamayang 11 pa yung flight namin. Marami pa tayong time mag-explore ng Taiwan. Wow! Taiwan Airport. Even though it's just a layover, stepping into a different airport, hearing a different language, and seeing a whole new place is pretty awesome. Maybe one day, I'll come back here and explore this country properly. So ngayon, nandito na kami ngayon sa boarding gate. This will be a 12-hour flight. Doon na kami matutulog. Finally, from Taiwan to Los Angeles. So after hours of travel, multiple flights, and crossing time zones, we've finally made it.
Hey, what's up?
Maka-scarf
na. Naka-t-shirt lang ako. Sobrang lamig na ng lugar.
Lamig na yung kamay ko guys, nanginginig na ako.
Lamig na. Tapos naka-t-shirt lang ako, naiwan ko jacket.
Na guys, tapos na kami sa immigration. Ay, ano man doon? Customs. Yan, customs. Oh, ang lamig. What is happening? After landing in Los Angeles, we were welcomed and picked up by my tita and Nino. From there, we hit the road and drove to Visalia, where we spent the night at a hotel to rest and get ready for the next morning. Guys, good morning. First morning here sa US. Tingnan niyo yung window guys. Wala kayo makita. Grabing fog. Yan. May nakikita kayo guys. Wala na. Foggy. So, fit check. While having breakfast, I surprised my ates, two of my closest friends, with a video call. Since they recently moved to Canada, I wanted to surprise them that I was also in a different country.
Irit pa rin yun. Or pwede make a caretaker kasi yung host.
What's up?
Caretaker siya ng dito. So pwede
Lamig pala dito.
caretaker. Ayaw ko ang gusto ko.
Diyan lang kami sa Manila.
Paborito.
Hi kayo sa vlog.
Oy, dapat isama mo kami. Naalala lang kami dito sa ayan na nandiyan na siya.
Loh, grabe. Guys, grabe yung snow, guys. Ay, hindi pala to snow. Ano to? Tawag dito? Fog. Pero lamig. Lamig na. Nagbe-vape ako, guys.
What is that?
Ganda, guys. Guys, kailangan ko na mag-gloves. Nilalamig na ako. Lamig. Kasi nung una hindi pa ako nilalamig, nilalamig na ako. Guys, bato ni Ningning. Lamig na ako, di ba? Mira yung isa dito nakasando. Ano? Paano niya yun kinakaya? Lamig. Oh, balot na ako from top to bottom. Tapos yan nakasando lang. Pero grabe yung ano dito, guys. Yung ilaw ng ano dito sa US, cinematic siya lagi, aesthetic siya lagi. Kasi daw ang explanation doon, yung tanghali dito, yung araw hindi siya straight sa tuktok talaga. Lagi lang siyang sa side, kaya yung 45 degree yung ilaw, lagi siyang ganun. Kaya kahit saan dito cinematic yung lighting. Sorry. Ito kami sa may bato, guys. Bato ni Ningning part 2. Ang daming bato ni Ningning dito. Our first destination, Sequoia National Park. Home to massive giant trees and the biggest tree in the world by volume, the General Sherman tree. Okay guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sequoia National Park. Ang daming giant redwood trees. Welcome to Giant Forest. Dito pa lang meron ng snow, pero hindi naman masyadong madami yung snow dito. Yun guys, ang laki ng puno, guys. Hindi ko mapakita gano'ng kalaki kasi 17 lang yung lens ko. Pero dito sa gilid may mga snow na, guys. Oh.
Dito nag-shooting yung Avatar.
Avatar?
Galing na sariling ko.
Show you where to find that. Here's the road to General Sherman Parking. Turn right, General Sherman Parking. Half mile down, half mile back up. That's before you get to the tongue log. It's a little loop, side trip. In a certain place in the whole world, and you're in one of the hot spots, right here.
Tapos na kami dun sa museum. And then, yeah, pupunta na namin yung biggest tree. We also spotted a little bit of snow on the ground, but it was already melting under the sunlight. So, ayun na yung General Sherman, biggest tree in the world, tama ba? Guys, ang ganda dito. Grabe. Nakikita ko lang ito dati sa mga movies. Ngayon, nandito na ako. So yeah, that's it for our Sequoia trip. Hindi na namin naikot lahat kasi masyadong, actually maraming destination dito, pero yung biggest tree lang pinuntahan namin, tsaka yung tunnel lag. Alas na kami. Bye bye snow.
That's how I'm feeling like. Oh, be my friend.
dito. Wow! Woohoo!
Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything we need to dance in the glow.
It's crazy to think that just a few days ago, I was in the tropical heat of the Philippines, and now I'm here, wearing layers and layers of clothes and surrounded by towering trees and cold mountain air. What a way to start this trip. After our trip to Sequoia, we drove down to Bakersfield. We had dinner and spent the night at another hotel. Try natin yung Chowlong sa ibang bansa. Can we get 3 regular beef po?
3 regular beef. Thank you.
Guys, tignan nyo yung mga charger ng Tesla. Ayan o. Sheesh! Wow! Ganda ng mga Tesla guys. Yan na yung mga charger ng Tesla guys. Angas. The next morning, we made a quick stop at Target to pick up some stuff and most importantly, flowers. This was a special day for us, especially for my mom. For the first time since my lolo passed away, we were finally able to visit his grave. After 2 decades, this moment meant so much to her. 2000 rin. Di ba pala ako pinapanganak mo? We also took the time to visit the graves of other relatives, paying our respects and remembering them. After that, we continued our journey, driving down to San Diego, where my tita's family lives. The next day, we just drove around town, stopping by Walmart, MCX, and Food for Less to buy some food. May ganyan dati sa Robinson, tas nawala na yung ano. Di ba, Mi? Yung Philadelphia, maraming ganyan sa Robinson dati.
Puro kasi ang mahal.
Oo, mahal din. Parang 300 yata yan. Ito, may ano sila dito guys, oh. Kakaiba, oh. Kahoy.
Sarap yan.
Ay, o pang sunog, ay panggatong. Panggatong lang yan, di ba? Fresh milk to, di ba? Ooh. Ikaw pala mismo magpapak ng sarili mong ano, binili mo. Ikaw magbabag. Uy, blueberry yan? Hindi nga. Wala ng araw. Anong oras na? 4 pa lang, wala ng araw. Ang bilis ng gabi dito. 4:15 pa lang. Golden hour na. For dinner, we went to Annie's Burger to experience what a real American burger tastes like. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Annie's Burger daw. Kasi masarap daw dyan. So, yeah. This is my cousin.
Hi. Oh, hi.
This is my other cousin.
Hey, what's up? My name is Caleb.
Ew, bro. Hey, what's up?
Subscribe to my channel on YouTube.
What's
Caleb
up?
Cool Bro.
Subscribe. He's like the bootleg version of Car Kenshin.
Yeah.
Drinks. So, ito yung mga wala sa Pilipinas, guys. And Dr. Pepper, Brisk Iced Tea. Ginger. Ginger yun. Ang pinili ko ay California Burger tsaka Dr. Pepper.
I'm crazy and messed up.
Garlic mushroom.
Ang lalaki ng mga pagkain dito. Amen. Caleb got a, what's that?
Mango habanero wings.
Papapakain lang nila yan, walang kanin. Krusty Krab.
Still I can't forget. Cause you can't forget.
Ang sa'yo mo din lahat malaki. Yung, paano ba ito i-demonstrate? Ayan, isang ganyan. Oh, cellphone. Ito yung, ang tawag dito? Default na size. Oh, regular. Regular size. Ganito na. Yung toothpick nila, yung toothpick. After dinner, we visited Christmas Card Lane. So today we are going to... Where are we going?
Christmas Card Lane.
What is that?
It's a street that has a bunch of Christmas lights and decorations.
It's Christmas time.
Hello. Oh, is this a vlog?
Yeah. Free ba yan? Wow. Seeing all the lights, I could really say that this is what Christmas in America feels like. Oo, burit talaga oh.
Hindi, nakakaya.
The next day, we headed to another destination in San Diego, Balboa Park. What's good guys? So today, andito na naman kami ngayon sa Balboa Park. Dito pa rin sa San Diego. So popular raw siya dito, tourist spot. Pang ilang sports car niya yun nakita ko dito. Siguro pang 50 na yun. 4th day pa lang namin. Ang dami ko na nakikita ng sports car. Ang daming Tesla, ang daming ding Mustang, Corvette, tsaka Porsche. Yan, ang daming Porsche. So yan, para kami sa Europe. Ganun yung style dito sa Balboa Park. Guys, may tower din dito. Puntahan namin yan mamaya. Dito. Baliktad naman yung harap mo. Parang Europe.
Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón. Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón.
The park is really big, so we didn't have time to visit every attraction. So yeah, tapos na kami dun sa kanina sa Balboa Park. And ngayon, kakain muna kami sa Jersey Mike's Subs. So it's a sandwich place. Guys, another Tesla. Mustang to? OG. This is what?
It's one of my favorite sandwich places.
Cheese. So yun guys, dito sa Amerika, kadalasan ng unli dito is yung drinks, unli drinks. Sa atin di ba unli rice? Dito drinks yung unli. So yeah guys, ito na yung Jersey Mike's. Ang laki. Root beer. Ito yung chips, Doritos. Imbes na French fries, bag of chips yung kasama. Ay, hati na pala eh. Ayun na, hati na.
Laki pa.
Ang laki. Ang laki. Can you get a chocolate on the like it size and with some cookies?
The Oreos?
Yeah, the Oreos. Then returned to my tita's house early because the next morning we had a special plan. Surprising my lola for Christmas. Ay, may bayad. Hindi, free yan? What?
Kaya pala di matagal.
What's this? high quality
water.
We traveled from San Diego to Seattle, Washington. Paano natin i-surprise si God namin ngayon?
Surprise!
Lamig na si Mami. Guys, may hangin. After landing, we rented a car. Oh! Yo, see. And drove to Oak Harbor, where my other tita lives, as well as my lola. Before surprising her, we stopped at Deception Pass State Park.
Amazing!
Bawal mag-drone. Saan?
Paano?
Ito pala. Probably. Fireworks! Ba't ka magpapa-fireworks? Ang sakit guys, bawal mag-drone. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng lugar. Then guys, dito kami ngayon sa Washington. So yun, syempre, bago kami pumunta sa surprise, dito muna kami sa napakagandang view. Wow! Guys, ang ganda! Yo! Okay, B-roll, let's go! Finally, it was time to surprise my lola on Christmas Eve. She had no idea we were here and that we finally got a visa.
Nilalamig ako.
Wala ka, Libanti.
Saan tayo?
Ikaw ang anak eh. Sundan na sila.
May patulong! Merry
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a
Matagal na namin pinaplano 4 na buwan niya! Sabi ni Sister Maricot, may surprise sila sa iyo, Sister Marlene. Ha? Ano kaya yun? Alam ba ni Ninang Con? Hindi niya alam. Diba nakakamero tayo, kaya pala maganda ka. Sabi ko, mag-dinis ka. Hello. Paano kayo nakakuha ng visa? Hindi, nagpunta ng embassy. Binigyan lang kayo? Multiple, mami, multiple. It's our 70th birthday and Christmas. Sayang, hindi ka nagsabi sa akin. Ay, nakarating na si Saya sa Sting. Sabi ni Auntie Jing, you should invite Saya to the Sting. Experience.
After the surprise, we celebrated Christmas by having our first family dinner since 2015.